Hey guys, it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Piccolo's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul, and then we're going to get into some Christmas items. So let's get started with what I found that has to do with Halloween. I found this adorable ribbon. I just think it's so cool, the black with the white spider web on it. It's by Crafter's Square, and it is 9 feet. So I'm definitely going to be using that in some of my wreaths that I'm making. And then I also picked up these mini hay bales. Not a new item. They've been there for a while, but I decided to finally pick them up because I'm setting up my Halloween village. And then I was also thinking that they might be good for the manger scene in our Christmas village. So that's what I'm going to be using those for. And then I found this little lantern. I've actually been looking for this for a while. I think it's super, super cute. It does hang. They had several different designs, but I like the spiders because it wasn't exactly scary. It's more spooky, which is the theme we go for. Where Gianni's only 7, we do spooky, not scary. I know I've said that before, but in case you're new, that's the theme we go for with Halloween is spooky. So what I like about it is that it is one of those ones that lights up. So when you pull out the little tab, and the other reason I wanted to pick this one up is because I think it's really cute that it has the LED light that glows in it when you turn it on. So it kind of makes it look a little more spooky. Very, very cute though. And then I found this, which is a wreath form, and it's in the shape of a leaf. I've actually never seen this before. I think it's really, really cool and pretty. So I'm definitely going to be using that to make a wreath. I think it's a really cool find. I was actually quite shocked when I saw it because I think that's just such a cool design, and I'm really excited to try to make a wreath with it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And then I also picked up 2 trays that were Halloween themed. I think these will be really cool to do art on with Gianni, or even to use as snack trays. So this one is, again, the spiders and the spider webs. And the purple one is bats. I just realized I have 3 things in this haul that are spider themed. 1, 2, 3. That's really, really funny. But yeah, so that's it for my Halloween items. Now let's get into some Christmas items that I found. I found some Christmas wish list items. Oh my God, you guys, I was so shocked and excited when I found these little gnomes. I got one of each color. And then I also had on my wish list this LED light tree. So I was super, super psyched to find both of these in the same store on the same day. And the tree is really adorable, lit up. It changes colors, which is so cute, and just absolutely love it. So pretty. I showed these 2 houses for the Christmas Village in one of my previous videos, but what I realized when I went into that Dollar Tree was that there actually was another piece to the set. So I'm going to show that to you right now. Super cute. It looks like a little church. So there's actually 3 pieces, probably more, but but this is what I found. And I actually went in a couple of other stores, and they also only had these 3 pieces as far as houses for the Christmas Village. But I also got tons of other pieces to go with the set, and I am so excited to share them with you. But before I do that, let me just show you what it actually looks like, what they look like on all the sides. Very cute. And then this one. I love the detailing. These are plastic, but they're just still really, really cute with the detailing. Why is that tag not cooperating? There we go. And here. And then I love this, the Toy Village. It's so cute. And there. So now let me go get the other pieces to the set. So I got these Christmas trees. They had both styles, and I decided to get both of them. I think they're really, really pretty. I already have tons of Christmas trees of different sizes and styles, but I feel like in a Christmas village, you can never have too many Christmas trees. So these go with the set, and that's why I decided to pick them up, because I wanted to get all the items in the set that I could find. And this one's actually really pretty because it has glitter. I'm going to try to see if you can see it. Yeah, you can see the glitter in it. Really, really pretty. It's a really pretty effect. And then this one has the snow. Okay, so the little people in the set and the little figurines and things. So this one is Welcome to the North Pole sign, Santa and a snowman. And then this is a cute little tree, the mailman, and then the Santa mailbox. And then these are the figurines that are playing in the snow, sledding, having a snowball fight. And then these ones have the little wagon, and it looks like he's carrying something. I don't know if it's supposed to be coal or something like that, or some kind of, yeah, maybe coal for the chimney, because that's almost what it looks like. It's black, but anyways, it's so cute. Then we have the street lights with the cute little street bench all decorated for Christmas. And last, I'm saving this one for last because this is my favorite piece, is the red truck with the tree and then the little camper that is green. And it's so, so cute. And I actually got 2 of these because I knew that this would be wish list. I just had a feeling with the truck and the camper, everybody really seems to like that, as well as myself. So I did get an extra one of this particular set right here. So that's what I got for the village. Okay, and a couple more items, and then I'm going to finish this haul. So this looks like a Santa. I'm not sure if it's a gnome. I think it's just an old-fashioned Santa, but he's really, really cute. I just love the detailing on his suit. Very cute. It's an ornament, or I could also use it on a wreath. And then I got the gnome garland, which is so cute, with the different colored presents that the gnomes are holding. And then the last item is not necessarily, it's really not a Christmas item or holiday item at all, but I just thought it was cute. It's the LED flower lights. I haven't seen these before, so I decided to get them. And they have 120 total hours of light time by the Luminescence brand, 60 hours each with a flickering effect. So I thought these would be cool. You never know when you're going to need these if you lose the power or anything like that. So I always try to stock up on things like these when I see them. And this is the last item in today's haul. So I totally felt like I hit the jackpot in this store by just finding these gnomes and the Christmas tree with the LED lights, and then also finding all of those pieces to the Christmas Village, as well as the little lantern with the spider webs on it. I just thought that was so cute as well. But with all that being said, that does conclude today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so that you know next time I upload and every time I upload. And let me know what's on your wish list and what your favorite items in this haul were. And have a wonderful day. I will see you all in the next one. Bye!